Hello and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. I've been doing this weight loss thing for 4 months and a few days now, and I lost over 50 pounds so far. Pretty happy with myself. My goal is to lose 100 plus pounds by the time I turn 50 years old. I'm over halfway there in a third of a year, so please watch my other videos on this channel and you get to see my progress. It'll help me out. Encourage me, please. But all I've done to lose the weight is get up every morning, walk a couple miles, and basically I eat whatever I want each day, with the one restriction of only eating between 1,500 and 2,000 calories per day. So as long as I keep losing weight, then I'll continue the same path. So I want to tell you about this RENPHO Bluetooth body fat scale. I started using it just prior to starting this personal challenge, and I love it so far. And, you know, I'm going to let 50 pounds fatter Mark give you an overview and setup of this pretty cool scale. So take it away, fatter Mark. Hello, today I'm going to unbox this RENPHO digital scale. This scale holds up to 396 pounds. My old scale apparently cannot hold my fat ass anymore, and it has an error. So I had to get this one. Don't know what the max weight is, but we're going to find out what I weigh with this one, because I don't think I weigh over 400 pounds, or 396 pounds. So let's take a look inside this box here. We have, oh, it's little. That's little. It's supposed to be 11 inches, but I guess you can fit on that standing, huh? Comes with a book. Comes with a "we'd love to hear from you" card. Wow, that's smaller than I thought. But I guess, I don't know, I have to compare it to my old one. Let's see what we got in here. Of course, it's got saran wrap around it. Caution, glass, slippery when wet. I guess don't stand on it with wet feet. Says it comes with batteries too. Lies. AAA batteries included. Oh, wait. They were in the side pouch right here. Good old Frigo batteries. Frigo. Alright, so let's take these out of here. Pop them in. The scale is Bluetooth also, by the way, so you can connect it to an app in your cell phone, and it will connect to all the other Google Fits and Amazon Healths and Apple Healths. Alright, so now, alright, can you see the numbers? Alright. I'm pushing down. Oh yeah, I can. From that angle, about 45 pounds I can push. So let's see here. I got my cell phone. Let us take a look here. I already installed the app and signed up for it because I know that that's always a pain in the butt to get going. So let's see here. How do we connect the scale? Device management. Step on scale. Well, it paired it just like that. It's pairing my device. Hopefully I'm stepping on it long enough. Let me push down. This is the first time I've done this. The pair. There it is. It's connected. So let's see what happens. I'm sure that you got to stand out and keep stable for a while. But that was like instant connection. I don't have to go into any Bluetooth settings at all. Just want to keep it stable. All right. I kept it stable. I got 34 pounds on there. So we're going to just save the data. I can always delete it. Ooh, look at that. So that was like idiot-proof setup. Didn't really have to do anything. As long as your Bluetooth's on, it just automatically detected the scale. So let's go in here. That's my first way on this app here. Let's see if we can find where you can connect it to Samsung Health. Settings maybe. There's Google Fit, Fitbit, Samsung Health, and I don't know. It says it can do Apple, but let's turn on Samsung Health. Sure, we'll give it all permissions. And wait, done. Okay, so I'm guessing now it's going to sync with Samsung Health. I don't even know where I have that in here. Oh yeah, fitness. See if it syncs a weight. Maybe it's going to sync the next time I do a sync with the scale. Let's try to do a scale. Where's that at? RENPHO. All right, let's go into measurements. Let's weigh. It doesn't, oh, it did now. It did detect. All right, let's save data. So now I weigh 35.8 pounds. That's a great weight. Let's see if we can see if it syncs with Samsung Health. Syncing with watch. That's not going to be it. Oh, look, it did it. It did the weight. I'm 35.8 pounds. That is brilliant. Well, apparently that was the stupid easiest setup of anything I've done on the phone in a long time. All right, RENPHO, we're going to test you with the real weight. Let's go do that now and see how much I really weigh. All right, so we're going to stand on the scale and see what we weigh. It also measures all kinds of stuff. Ooh, 342. Oh, the phone took it. My other phone's got it. There we go. It recorded all kinds of other fun stuff in there. Body fat, BMI, subcutaneous fat, muscle mass. I guess that's accurate. So that's about it on the RENPHO digital scale. It works. It's easy to set up, and apparently a lot of people like them on Amazon, so it seems to tell you more information than you'd ever want to know about yourself. But now at least I have a scale that can weigh my fat ass. So, as I said, I couldn't weigh myself on my old scale, so I had to get this. And the reason is because I'm going to be 49 on February 26, 2020. And I'm giving myself 1 year to get fit by 50. So I want to lose as much weight as I can so I can be fit whenever I'm 50. So that's the main reason I got this scale, and also to aid in tracking of losing my weight. Please join me on my other channel at Get Fit by 50 on YouTube. There'll be a link in the description, or you can go to getfitby50.com and you can see my progress and other links to vlogs and whatnot. So wish me luck. Have a good day. Well, thanks a lot there, 50 pounds fatter Mark. This Mark's still pretty chunky, and I got a long way to go, but we'll get there. So yeah, this RENPHO body fat scale is stupid awesome and easy to set up. It utilizes bioelectrical impedance analysis, or BIA, to calculate 13 key body composition metrics. BIA is basically a weak current that flows through the body, and voltage is measured in order to calculate impedance of the body. Not to be confused with impotence, impedance. But the scale gives you an overview of your body and tracks your daily, weekly, and monthly progress. So it's far more info than a traditional weight scale can offer. And what's more, the RENPHO app can sync the data to your favorite fitness apps like Samsung Health, Apple Health, Google Fit, and the Fitbit app. And I use the MyFitnessPal. It still goes to there too. So for me, I just step on a scale and it goes to the app, and then the weight shows up in Samsung Health and MyFitnessPal, which are the two apps I use to keep track of everything, and it's brilliant. I mean, I highly recommend these RENPHO scales. So why don't you click on one of the links in the description below and grab yourself one. They're affiliate links, and I get a tiny percentage at no cost to you. And I obviously need the money to buy some foot cream. All right. I will get fit by 50 and lose 100 plus pounds. Definitely. That's what's going to happen. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.